Land pollution is the degradation of Earth's land surfaces often caused by human activities and their misuse of land resources. It occurs when waste is not disposed properly. Haphazard disposal of urban and industrial waste, exploitation of minerals, and improper use of soil by inadequate agricultural practices are a few factors. Urbanization and industrialization are major causes of land pollution. The Industrial Revolution set a series of events into motion which destroyed natural habitats and polluted the environment, causing diseases in both humans and other species of animals. Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matter, or biological materials that cause harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms. It causes damage to the natural environment or built environment into the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a complex, dynamic, natural gaseous system that is essential to support life on planet Earth. Stratospheric ozone depletion due to air pollution has long been recognized as a threat to human health as well as to the Earth's ecosystems. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, example, lakes, rivers, oceans and groundwater. This occurs when pollutants are discharged directly or indirectly into water bodies without adequate treatment to remove harmful compounds. It affects plants and organisms living in these bodies of water, and in almost all cases the effect is damaging not only to individual species and population but also to the natural biological communities. Eutrophication is the slow aging process during which a bay, estuary, lake, river, stream, or other shallow body of water deteriorates into a bog or a marsh and eventually dies. Nutritive pollution, mainly contains of nitrogen and phosphorus compounds, is generated by human activities and is a major factor in eutrophication because it causes an explosive growth of algae. Decaying algae consumes the oxygen dissolved in water, thus suffocating fish and other aquatic plants and animal life.